Welcome back to Capital Craft. This is the place where we explore simple, practical ways to make money online and build financial freedom. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Because every week, I share strategies that actually work in 2025. Imagine waking up, making your morning coffee, and then opening your laptop to see $50 or even more already earned online, all with the help of ChatGPT. Sounds impossible? Well, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can actually make this happen. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, just your internet connection and a little consistency. Step 1. Freelance writing with ChatGPT, 2 minutes. Let's start with freelancing. One of the easiest ways to make $50 plus per day. Thousands of businesses are searching for writers every single day. Blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, ad copies. Content is in demand everywhere. Here's how you do it step by step. 1. Go to freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. 2. Create a profile and list your service as content writer or copywriter. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content in minutes. Backhand index pointing right, for example. If a client wants a 1,000-word blog post about fitness tips, you simply ask ChatGPT to create a professional article. You then polish it a little, add a personal touch, and deliver it. Now let's talk about money. On Fiverr, one blog post pays between $10 to $50 depending on the niche. Even if you write just 2 medium-length articles a day, that's $40 to $100 right there. Do this consistently, and you can hit $1,500 to $3,000 per month. Step 2. Create and sell digital products, 2.5 minutes. Next, digital products. This is my favorite because it's passive income. Here's the idea. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, study guides, business templates, or even meal plans. For example, you can make an ebook like 10 healthy recipes under $5 or step-by-step guide to start freelancing. Once your digital product is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Amazon Kindle. The best part? You only create the product once, but you can sell it unlimited times. Even if your ebook is priced at just $10, selling 5 copies daily makes you $50. And if you create multiple products, your income can grow without any extra effort. Step 3. Start a YouTube or blog using ChatGPT, 3 minutes. Now let's talk about YouTube and blogging, the long-term game. You don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You can run a faceless YouTube channel using free stock videos, AI voiceovers, and ChatGPT written scripts. Here's how it works. 1. Pick a niche, finance, tech, lifestyle, or motivation. 2. Use ChatGPT to write full scripts, just like this one you're watching. 3. Add stock footage, simple editing, and upload. At first, you'll earn small amounts, maybe $2 to $3 a day. But as your channel grows, your earnings grow with it. Many faceless channels today are making $100 to $500 daily just from ad revenue. And if you add affiliate marketing or sponsorships on top, your income can skyrocket. The same strategy works for blogging. You write SEO-friendly articles with ChatGPT and publish them on your own website. Over time, ads and affiliate links will bring in steady income. Bonus method: online tutoring and AI tools, 1 minute. As a bonus, here's another way. You can use ChatGPT as your assistant while teaching online. For example, create lesson plans, language tutorials, or even math problem explanations. Platforms like Preply or Cambly allow you to teach and earn $10 to $25 per hour. With ChatGPT doing half the work, your job becomes much easier. So let's recap. The 3 best ways to make $50 plus per day using ChatGPT are: 1. Freelance writing. 2. Creating and selling digital products. 3. Starting a YouTube channel or blog. And remember, success doesn't come overnight. But if you stay consistent, these small daily earnings can turn into a full-time income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Capital Craft. Also, drop a comment below. Which method are you most excited to try? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.